Okay, so once you've got your paddle cut to length, you need to sand off the end. And what we're doing here is putting a slight bevel on either side in line with the blade. It needs to be done on both sides. The bevel is kind of important because it locks the T-grip down. Once you've done that, you need to clean up the bonding surface. This is best done by a flexible piece of sandpaper. Make sure you don't go too far down because you can see it with the handle goes on. But it is important to get rid of all the paint, and you'll notice that once the sanding's completed, the carbon fibre looks quite different. Check to make sure the handle fits before you go to the next stage. Just slide it on, check it. Don't spin it around too much because it can mark the paddle, and that will show when the handle goes on. We use a methyl methacrylate, which is a 2-part bonding agent, but you can use an epoxy for this job. Once it's thoroughly mixed, you need a reasonable amount of glue, and it's important that it's fairly viscous. If it's too thin, it'll run everywhere. But we apply it on the inside of the handle, on the inside edge. This is the only place the glue needs to go. Don't try and put it on the bottom, just on the sides. Remember, it's a tube, so there's nothing in the bottom to bond to. Make sure you do both sides and that there's enough resin on the side to stick in so it touches the shaft when the shaft goes in. Remember, align it fairly carefully and just slide it on in one motion. You don't need to rotate it. Right. So we give it a little twist just to make sure it's in the right spot, then we line it up. This is usually done